how to fix mic echo and static on your Xbox Series S or X. So the first thing you want to do is press the X button on your controller, and we're going to scroll down to the bottom, and we're going to select audio and music. Now, if this section's grayed out, that means your headset isn't plugged in properly, so make sure it's plugged in. Then you want to ensure a headset mic is turned on. When it comes to headset volume, especially on cheaper headsets, I recommend you turn this down because the audio that's going through your speakers can be caught by your mic, and that could be causing the echo or static noise. So as far as headset chat mixer goes, you can leave this in the middle. And if you want to test your microphone, you can turn on mic monitoring. For everyone else though, just turn this down all the way. Now we're going to go back and we're going to scroll over to Party. And once you're at Party, open it up and we're going to go to Options, and you want to ensure noise suppression is turned on. This is going to help if you're in a party, and it's going to stop background noise, ambient noise, being picked up by your mic. Now we're going to go back to the home screen and we're going to go to the settings cogwheel in the top right corner. Then from general, we're going to scroll over and we're going to go to volume and audio output. Now, if you're using a headset, make sure you're using Windows Sonic for headphones or stereo uncompressed. And from here, we're going to be going to additional options. Now, I recommend mute speaker audio when headset is attached is turned on, because if there's any noise coming out of your TV or display, then all of a sudden your mic could be activated, causing the echo. So as far as party chat output goes, I recommend turning it onto your headset. And for chat mixer, turn on reduce the volume of other sound by 50%. So now we're going to go back, and this is going to depend on the game. In this example, we're going to be using Fortnite, but under the sound settings, you want to ensure voice chat volume isn't turned up all the way, rather turn it down a little bit. And same thing goes for any mic settings in any other games. Make sure the mic volume isn't turned up all the way, as well as if there's an open mic sensitivity option, make sure that's turned down as well. Now we're going to go to settings in the top right corner. Then from here, we're going to go to devices and connections, and we're going to go to controllers and headsets. Now from here, we're going to go to the three dots, and you want to ensure that your controller is up to date, because it even says on the right that if your controller is not up to date, it can affect performance with your headset. So go ahead and update your controller if you haven't already, and once this is finished updating, see if your static and echo is fixed. Now, if that doesn't work either, I recommend trying a different controller, headset, and reducing the background noise in your room. If this video was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.